One thing I consider, though, is it possible that these ant people were not just the benign benefactors that we have an account of? Could it also be possible that they were operating with a completely different form of intent? Were human beings, or the human beings that we know to this day, the natural human beings, or have they been altered over time? Or could they be referencing the offshoots of these original species? It's hard to say. Looking at some of the diagrams that we have, though, of extensive underground caverns and maps and existences that we know to be real, then we have to ask these hard questions that if there was a subterranean civilization, and indeed there are many indications that there was, and there's still evidence that there were subterranean civilizations, then how were these subterranean constructions achieved? Once again, we'll be informed that it's because we had a lot of will and just time on our hands in the distant past, and we were willing to take the painstaking effort to carve out these vast caverns, these incredible labyrinths that are subterranean. But does that really make sense? Would one actually go to all this effort, even if the soil or the material that they were carving through was more prone to being carved through? It still takes a lot of effort. And effort during a time when we're informed that there were logistical limitations. Of course, logistical limitations are never taken into account, it seems, when we're considering some of these mainstream accounts that we have of the past.